With Learnyst, educators can now customize their pricing as per their learner needs. Let's have a look at how you can do it. Meet Harsh, an expert in Python programming known for his Python Mastery course. His course, priced at $5,999, offers a 6-month access, attracting a wide array of learners. Harsh soon discovers that a lot of his learners frequently request for a longer course access. He understands the genuine desire of his learners for extended access. Let's see how he achieves this with multi-pricing. Adding a new pricing plan is simple and easy. Let's go to pricing and validity in course settings. There, let's add a new pricing plan that makes sense for his learners. Let's fill out the important details and ensure that the course access is set for 1 year. Now let's ensure that the new pricing plan is published. Adding a new pricing plan helped Harsh to increase his monthly recurring revenue by 30%. Multi-pricing helps you to add different pricing plans as per your learner needs. Now each student can find a pricing plan that resonates with them. Now let's meet Sarah, a yoga teacher based out of India. Sarah wants to sell her courses in USA. With Geo Pricing, Sarah can now offer her courses in USA. Let's help Sarah get this done. First, we will add USA in locations. Let's go to locations in the admin settings. Here, let's select USA. With that, USA is added in locations where Sarah wants to sell. Step 2 is to add a new pricing plan for USA. Let's go to the course settings. Choose USA in the new pricing plan. This smart pricing strategy makes her courses more profitable in the US market while maintaining INR pricing in India. Sarah's journey doesn't stop there. She aims to reach students in Brazil but faces a challenge. Her primary payment gateway, Razorpay, is not available in Brazil. Thanks to multiple payment gateways, Sarah can easily integrate Stripe, which accepts payment in Brazil. Let's help her add a new pricing plan with Stripe as a choice of payment gateway. Step 1. Add Stripe as a payment gateway. Step 2 is to add Brazil in the locations. Step 3 is to add a pricing plan for Brazil. With this, Sarah's new pricing plan for Brazil is added. Now whether your learners are in India, USA or Brazil, Sarah can have a pricing plan that makes sense for her and her learners. Take your classroom global today with Learnyst.